In this video, you will learn the chord progressions that give you problems in harmonic minor. Harmonic minor is used to make the 5 chord a major chord. A major 5 sounds more like a cadence at the end of a phrase than a minor 5. Here is a phrase using a minor 5 chord for the cadence. Here is the same phrase using a major 5 chord for the cadence. A major 5 definitely has a more solid ending of a phrase, but there are problems when using a major 5 with other chords. Let's go through the major and minor scales to see why. A major scale consists of half steps and whole steps. A natural minor consists of half steps and whole steps. A melodic minor scale is a natural minor scale with a 6th and 7th degree of the scale raised a half step. Melodic minor also consists of half steps and whole steps. Our harmonic minor scale is a natural minor scale with a 7th degree of the scale raised a half step. Because of this, an augmented second is created between the 6th and 7th degree of the scale. This augmented second creates problems with the chord progressions that use the 6th and 7th degree in harmonic minor. One of the problem progressions is the diminished 2-6-2-5 progression. If you keep the common tone, one of the voices will have an augmented second. To solve this, do not keep the common tone. Double the third of the diminished 2-6 chord. All upper voices move contrary to the bass. Another problem progression is the 5-6 progression. Here is the augmented second. To avoid it, you have to double the third of the 6th chord. It is a rare but necessary doubling. Same doubling in the 6-5 progression. One of the progressions to avoid is the 4-6-5-6 progression. Can you see why? The augmented second is in the bass. Another progression to avoid is the 5-6-6 progression. Can you see the problem with this one? The augmented second is in the bass. The next progression to avoid is the 5-6-1-6 progression. Can you see the problem with this one? A diminished fourth in the bass. The next progression to avoid is the diminished 2-6 to diminished 7-6. Can you see why? A diminished 2-6 to diminished 7-6 is possible. Can you do it? Let me know what you did in the comments.
If you liked the video, please hit like. If you would like to see more videos, please subscribe to my channel. You can also leave a comment or a question in the comment section below.